This is becoming a really hot topic as a lot of people are putting money into their homes and home improvements versus moving, but you got to spend that money wisely. So I will break down the top 4 projects that will get you the best return. Number 1, garage door replacement, which is huge for curb appeal. The average cost is about $4,500 and the average value is $9,000. Number 2, front door replacement. This is so important because your front door is the beacon for home buyers that enter your home, and it gives a higher level of curb appeal as well. The average cost is $2,500 and the average value is $4,500. Number 3, manufactured stone veneer instead of siding. The average cost is about $11,000 and the average value is about $17,000. Replacing vinyl siding with stone veneer, even on just a part of your home such as the entryway, will make a big difference for future buyers. Number 4, a minor kitchen remodel. The average cost is $27,000 and the average value is $27,000. So this turns out to be just neutral. Your investment just gets paid back to you at the time of sale, but a modern functional kitchen is a big plus for today's buyers. Comment the word renovation below and I'll send you a list of local contractors that can help you out.